Just got her all clean. Thought I'd go ahead and make a little video, show everyone my Denali and what I've done to it. So she has a dual battery setup, as you see here. LED light bar, headlights. Just washed her, so that's why there's a little bit of steam. That is the relay for the battery. It's basically an isolator. Keeps it from basically when the car is off, so it won't go ahead and touch the Megatron battery. As you can see, LED tail lights. Excuse the mess. Car is still a little bit dirty. Haven't had a chance to totally clean her. Yes, that is a Louis Vuitton armrest. It came with the car when I bought it. I did these mirror modifications myself. Just bought some mirrors off of Amazon and then made them work with silicone. A lot of work to do. Still have to fix the headliner and whatnot, but it is what it is. You know, it's just a stock 05 Yukon Denali. Well, this one's an XL though. But anyways, the neat part about the whole battery system that I love is that it comes off of this junction box, goes around the battery and through here, under here, travels all the way under, and it comes out right here. And then attaches to that, and then that, and all the way over here. And these are the factory cables. Turn on the hazards so you can kind of get the effect. I prefer this way. I don't really like the LED light bar that I saw on other models. This one seemed the best for me. And it is very bright, visible at night. Right now I have the remote start running, so it is Viper. There you go. Now the whole system's on. It does have a dash cam system, front and rear. Pioneer audio system, next 223, or sorry, next 2330 Pioneer system.
Continuous recording will now start.
Yep. Anyways. Anyways, that's my 05 Yukon Denali. Well, the Yukon XL. But anyways, I have some more plans for it. I want to get the headliner fixed and get a new carpet in, and you know, just make it my own. You know, has DVD player for the kids, and as you see, some of the stuff is starting to sag up there. I have to take it over to an upholstery guy sometime. But right now I'm in college, so not that much money, but we're getting there. I mean, the Yukon we bought down in California moved up here to Washington, so and just lots of bad events that happen, and but you know, she's all paid for, and I drive her daily. I mean, she has, let's see, 171,828. So not too bad. Still runs pretty good. No slips in the transmission. Transfer case is awesome. Four-wheel drive, or the all-wheel drive system is awesome. Nothing to it. But anyways, lots of work to go ahead and still do. Yes, I know the it's a K&N air filter here, but you know, I mainly got it just for the induction noise, but that was about it. If I really want to go ahead and increase the horsepower, I'll use the programmer in the car. But anyways, talk to y'all later. If you want to see more, let me know, and I will go ahead and put out some more content. Thanks everybody, and have a great day. Bye.